Ashoka School of Business is going to start a very innovative program called Executive in Residence. This has been taken from the inspiration of Columbia Business School. Today we have Lakshmi Potluri Garu, who has graduated from Columbia University, and she is going to throw a light on this program. Welcome, madam. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Dr. Swati. I'm very excited to announce that Ashoka School of Business is launching the experiential program called Executive in Residence, also known as the EIR program. This program is a great opportunity for business school students to have more close interaction and understanding and discussions with industry professionals like CEOs, CXOs, VPs, senior VPs, mostly people with 15 years of experience, 20 years of experience, and from the sectors that we are also focusing on, such as healthcare, finance, fintech, and even entrepreneurship. We will bring in a lot of founders of very successful companies. We've already talked to several very well-known people, and they've all agreed to also give their time to work closely with the students, help them answer questions about the various job profiles that they as students can explore when they go into the industry looking for jobs, and also understand what is expected of these roles. This is coming from real life experience of these successful people, and how they can also plan their journeys in their career, because everybody wants to, whoever's coming to business school is very aspirational and career oriented. So they have big dreams, and talking to people who have achieved many successful roles in their life is the best way for a student to learn. Academic supported by experiential learning from people who have done it is one of the most valuable things about the EIR program. I benefited from this a lot at Columbia Business School by having access to such professionals and industry experts, and we want to bring such an experience to our students as well at Ashoka School of Business.
Okay, for this program, do the students need to have an experience as well?
No, it is open to all the students at Ashoka School of Business, and it is actually catering to those who have almost no experience, and if they have little experience, these people have 15 to 20 years of experience, so it will be very valuable for them.
Okay. How different is this from regular PGDM program?
This is a complement to the PGDBM program, but what happens is most schools don't have similar program. Many times schools, other MBA schools, they bring in, very well-known names. There's a huge auditorium with 500 students. The speaker comes, talks, motivates everybody, and then they have some questions. And after that, that's the end of that interaction and story. But I want to have more opportunities to talk to this individual, understand, how I can also, have a path similar to theirs. How can I be as successful as them? So this EIR opportunity is like a more structured program. You can call it mentorship also. But it's a program because it is structured where even we have talked to all of these successful people. They have agreed to contribute their time. So there is a fixed time slot. Once a month they will come and have, lunch with the students. Then apart from that, they have also agreed to be available for any queries and other support. When students are also going to look for jobs, maybe they can understand about the companies better by talking to these people who know about 100 other companies in the finance sector or healthcare sector. They can help them coach informally if the student is very passionate. Many senior executives actually love to coach such students. So it's beneficial at multiple levels, and I think I would be happy to say that we are one of the very few schools that has such a program connecting industry professionals with students.
Okay, so how this really plays a vital role in providing internships and placements?
So because we are providing this chance to interact, if an executive is very impressed with the student's potential or interest in a certain subject, they themselves in their own companies can give them an opportunity for an internship. If not, at least they will be able to refer these candidates and these students within their network. And it's the best way to get a great job and a great break in any career is to get through a network or a relationship or an introduction, and this is what it will provide.
Okay, so always there is a say for the corporates to the academicians. There is a gap between the competency to the concepts. So how this EIR program is going to help the students to develop their competencies?
So I think it will give them a little bit of understanding of the real world, how to bridge this gap in fact. And when you ask, maybe you can even ask one of the executives, how did you bridge this gap, from moving from academia to real world? How did you apply the concepts? So you can understand what they did to address the same gap, and that gives you many ways, to do that in your life before you even start your career.
Okay. So it gives a real-time experience in the campus itself.
100%. And you know, just like they say, experience, if you can learn from others' experience, that is way more valuable than you trying to learn everything on your own. So if you can actually leapfrog maybe 3 to 5 years in your career by just having access to these relationships and network, and it is something that you will continue even after graduating. It's not like once I graduate from ASB, my network that I built is not there. And today, the VP today is going to be CEO of another company tomorrow. The CEO of today is going to be a board member somewhere else. So we are giving you that ability to build your network. It is the students' ability to keep these relationships and continue, taking their mentorship or taking their guidance in their entire life. It is not just going to stop with ASB's MBA program.
The country like India really needs a lot of developing programs as such, because even the government is encouraging for the startups. So how this executive in residence program really helps for the entrepreneurs, those who are really having a dream?
So this program, because we've also identified entrepreneurs, founders of companies, young companies, big startups, people who have exited their startups. So we've compiled and we've also talked to many such successful founders to be a part of this executive in residence program. And so students who wish to pursue their journey or they want to start a startup, they can talk to these founders and figure out how to start their business, figure out how to scale their business, understand from them how they went through their journey, fundraising. So all of these questions the founders will be able to answer for them.
Will they even help them to start up their own business by guiding them?
They will not handhold them, to be honest, because I think, they will also want to see a lot of effort and work done by the student, but they will guide them. Maybe again, like I said, if they're exceptional, if they have something fantastic and, have been able to impress that founder, then maybe the founders also are going to go and do something beyond what's expected of them as part of the program itself. But I think even the guidance and mentorship itself is a huge value addition.
Yes, that itself is a wonderful opportunity for the students while doing their program in the campus itself.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Swati.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.